It sounds like something's shaking up in the old dark side. Let's go see what's going on.
You guys loud in here today, isn't it? Holy selling focus. How you guys doing?
Checking out what's going on.
I know, well we just installed the radio in here. We got all the pods hooked up, all the electricals hooked up on it. So button it up and I'm hoping to have it started up here in the next day or so. Get her running and...
Awesome. It's an alarm.
Yes.
Wow. That's going to be a fun ride.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh yeah.
Like, cruising along, top down, get the radio.
Yes.
You know.
Oh yeah. I'm ready to take it out for a test drive and do all the test
You
miles.
better come get me.
Oh, I'll come get you. I will definitely come get you on it. It's gonna be a blast on this one. I mean, she went all out, and we have the mats for it.
Oh,
And we went through the whole car. It goes through the whole back end of it.
Okay.
And there'll be a mat up in here.
Oh,
We're gonna put the thing sticker across the side of it, so it's just a thing on it. We're gonna have everything going. So it's the original yellow and black color that they came in.
So cool.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be awesome. I'm excited about it. I'm excited.
Just the name.
The thing.
Just the thing.
Just the thing. That's it. Yeah, I mean, it kind of fits them. There's not many of them. They only made it for. They only shipped them in. Excuse me, for 2 years, 73 and 74.
Yep.
Is when they shipped them in, and there's very little differences between them.
Exactly. So yeah, highly prized because you can't get them really.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I picked one up for really cheap. I mean, there's a lot of metal words, but you can't find them.
No,
So
that's the thing. So
yeah.
if you
That's
can
the
do
thing
the work,
about the things.
That's the thing about the thing. There we have our title.
Exactly. Have a good one.
Hey, Spook. What are you doing?
Fighting with the door.
Fighting with the door, like
Oh,
boxing
glass.
gloves and everything, or?
It's winning.
Oh no.
Trying to make some adjustments on this piece of glass. We've got a brand new regulator in it.
Yeah.
This is from Miss Linker.
And what's it doing?
The glass is uneven. I've got it's too high over here and it's too shy over here.
Okay.
So I'll bring that up and I'll show you. And right there I've got contact, and right here I don't. So I'm trying to make the adjustments, and I'm not quite sure which adjustments I've got to make, but I'm just making a whole bunch of small ones at a time and testing it. It's getting a little bit better, getting a little bit better. Then I'll sit there and go like this and drool a little bit.
So like the pondering pose.
Well,
like, why is this not working?
Aftermarket parts, and
That's the thing.
it's yeah, they're made in Brazil. Yeah, they're supposed to work, but like anything else, you really got to manipulate it and have some fun with it, and just see if you can get what to do what. And right now, I'm trying to figure out if I have to readjust the window regulator itself.
Okay.
I'm trying to figure out if I've got to shave some of this bit off. And you see, just by sitting here, I actually have to force it to go into that, you know, to go in. And that's part of the problem, is if I can shift it this way, this side will raise up a little bit.
Right.
So I'm contemplating, like, going to shave off a little bit off of this one after I take some measurements off an old one.
Okay.
So that's pretty much what I'm doing. That, and I was playing with the Porsche fiberglass.
You love fiberglass.
Hate glass. Yeah, actually, I really don't mind good quality parts.
Yeah.
But when I'm having to remanufacture the parts that cost 3 times what they should, then it gets a little aggravating and frustrating. But, you know, the car's got to be right.
Yeah, that's the thing.
So, other than that, this is somebody requested that I finish up doing one of these so I can actually get photographs in for our new book.
Yeah.
Maybe ready by Christmas. Who knows? Valentine's Day, anyone?
We're hoping. My gosh, yeah. We've got a few pictures that are still lagging. That's the holdup.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm trying to get this done, and I can't go to the next step, which is where your photographs start,
Right.
until I figure out what the hell's going on with this.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's my afternoon pretty much.
Yeah.
It sucks.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Well, I'm not working on the book, that's for sure. Because I mean, it's so honestly, like, have you been most surprised? For me, it's been surprising. Like the writing, I've done that a million times.
Yeah.
The pictures have been surprisingly hard to actually make that work.
No, it hasn't been difficult because we thought we were on the right track with the first set of books.
Yeah.
Or the first set of photographs,
Right.
getting what you wanted for the format.
Right, right.
And so
turns
doing that
out-
format, we got everything completed. We hit every milestone.
Yeah.
You know, that's like a client, after we give them the keys to the car, they drive it around the block going, oh, it's the wrong color blue.
Right. Or,
You have to
I wanted
repaint
an
it.
automatic.
And it's
Like,
just
wait,
like,
what?
What? That, you signed off on this.
Yeah.
So,
So
it's
basically, it is the photos that are ending up being like the hardest part.
It is.
Because-
It's like, because they were okay with our photos, and
Yeah.
we used some pretty high-end Apple technology, and they weren't quite good enough. So
Yeah.
we bought us a really nice camera to reshoot a lot of
Right.
this stuff.
But now we got to wait for that part in any particular project.
Correct. And I only have 168 left here in the building, and
Yeah.
this is it.
Right.
So,
So it's like everything goes on this car because.
well, and the kicker is that the photograph quality on the Apple products is actually far superior to the stuff on
the actual
on the
camera.
actual camera.
It's
I mean,
weird.
megapixels and
Yeah.
screen size and depth and clarity is much better through Apple, but
Very strange.
just doing what the guy asked me to do.
Yeah, and it's just going to take a little while. So
So-
for those of you who actually
Sorry, Wes.
pre-ordered, we're working on it, Wes. We're trying here
So-
really hard. And anybody who pre-ordered, like if you got a notice from Amazon, just you know,
You're gonna have to
stay
you're gonna have to
tuned.
pre-order
You'll have to
again,
pre-order
when,
again.
we release it, and we finally got sign off on the book.
Right. So,
So-
it'll be there eventually. We're working as
Yeah.
hard as we can, but
Yeah, I just don't want to. You know, I could probably do the photographs for the book for this thing,
Mm-hmm.
but then I've got to take it all back apart and figure out whatever it is that's going on.
Yeah.
And you know, I mean, it's pretty late in the day. I might just end up doing that. You
Yeah.
know, knowing I'm going to have to take it back apart again.
right.
Wouldn't be the first time I'm taking stuff apart.
Yeah. So when you're reading our interior chapter, you'll know. You'll be the few who understand like what actually happened
In
here.
the loop, in the loop. So, no, it is what it is.
Yep.
So I'm looking at it like any other project that we're working on. This is going to be somebody's baby, and it's going to get back to the community.
Yeah,
And that's
and it's-
really what I want to do.
Yeah, definitely.
I want to share a little bit of knowledge. Now, it's not going to be a completely by the Bible type of thing.
Right. I mean, like as close as we can make it, but
Yeah,
this is a
there's-
custom process.
Yeah.
So we never know what we're going to run into when we start a project. We never know exactly what we're going to find.
Yeah. So you've
know.
heard about a 1 year only car is the 67. That's the holy grail of the 1 year only, or this winter.
Yeah.
Well, guess what? 68 is a 2 year car.
Right.
Because you have early 68, late 67 that share parts, and then you
Yeah.
have 67, 68, and 69 that share parts.
Right.
So these weird little things, like instead of having 8 clips on the inner scraper, this one only has 7.
Okay.
And we had to go through 2 of them to figure it out before we got the right part.
Yeah.
So it's just some very weird minor stuff that kind of scratches my head.
So would you say you're always learning more and more?
I never knew that there was a mid-year split date in 68.
Yeah.
I didn't know. I knew 68 and 69 shared some parts, and I knew 67 and 68 shared some parts.
Right.
But I never realized that there was a mid-year cutoff in 68, but not all the 67 stuff actually works on it. So
Okay.
there's like some 6-month only parts.
Yeah.
This window regulator is a 67 style, but it's got some 68 components in it.
Yeah.
But it won't work on a 67, and it won't work on a 69. So I gotta get back to this, otherwise I'm gonna get yelled at for photographs.
Yeah. Is Rodney around too?
Yeah, he's around here somewhere.
Alright.
I think he's actually underneath the white Porsche.
Oh
Last time I
yeah.
looked.
All right. Well, let's go take a look back there, guys. As you can see, the shop is pretty full. Oh, there's Rodney. Hey, Rodney, do we have any space available for new clients?
Sure. You got about a month to wait.
A month wait? Okay, so...
Get it in now. We'll have it in August, sometime in August.
Okay, so folks, yeah, if you want to get your name up on that board with the
As you can tell.
projects, then
It's
yeah, you need to hustle.
We're pretty full right now.
It's hard to keep up. Alright. So if you're that next client, what you're gonna do is get in touch with us through the website, www.airkooledcustoms.com. Contact us and tell us about your project and what you're hoping to do. So we're going to go out where it's a little quieter. Yeah, just send us like pictures of your ride. If you have one, we can source projects for you as well. And, you know, like source a project vehicle for you if you need that. And just, you know, start that conversation because, you know, there's a lot to think about. It's expensive. It takes a while. It's not like an impulse buy by any means. But, you know, if you are determined that you need to have an air-cooled, customs created air-cooled vehicle, so Porsches and Volkswagens, hey, you know where to come. All right, so that's it. We're signing off back into the Alabama heat and humidity. Have a great afternoon, folks.